Welcome to Live Space. Let us start our design proposal with Mr. Sandeep's bedrooms. Bedroom is a leisure space for every household. Entering into the room, bed is placed in front of entry door. Wardrobe is in niche coming in the right hand side of the bed, while TV unit and dressing is placed on the other walls that is opposite to bed and dressing is on the left hand side. Whereas we enter another room, a wardrobe is placed on the left hand side of the room, following the connecting study and TV unit, whereas bed is situated opposite to them. Every little element is hidden in plain sight and each detail matters. The beauty is camouflaged in the form which merges through vertical grooves showing continuity in reflected ceiling defining the space. The balance of wooden bed and fabric bedbag with dramatic grey rustic wall gives comfort to all age groups. Considering the space usability by elders, we made sure regarding the bed height and rounded edges. To cater all day-to-day storage requirements, a storage bed along with side table is provided with sync with the theme. White and grey palette justify the establishment of calmness and composure. Symmetrical composition of TV wall with ledge along with the elegant and contemporary grey wall is a striking manifestation of style that champions materials and texture. Optimum utilization of spaces is done by placing dressing unit which gives a bigger notion to the room. The artwork in the wall is in sync with the neutral tones. The ceiling and solid white grey curtains sits in the accordance with Italian flooring which makes space more vibrant. The whole epoch of composition, textured walls, flooring and reflected ceiling, minimal and neutral tones is revealed in the bedroom. Another bedroom portrays lavish yet simplistic design in spirit of delivering unique yet functional piece of furniture. The bed is in complementary with up holistic dressing and study tables by utilizing the tight space in best way and fulfilling functional requirements. Considering utilization of space by kids as well as elders, rounded edges on bed and elegant lines with fabric headboard is a retreat for one itself. An elevated bed skirting solves the day-to-day cleaning issues for household. Flooring is in sync with textured wall which elevates bold colors and provides dominance to the room. Supporting to the theme a multi-purpose sleek TV cum study unit on rustic wall adds perennial touch to the bedroom. To cater day-to-day storage requirements, we have given a small storage element for better functioning. Minimalistic ceiling line gives longevity and adds subtle touch to the bedroom area. Ceiling lights are focused on the objects that requires to be lit up for day-to-day choruses by providing effective heating and ambience to overall area. Proportionate composition of functional elements with accent lighting gives relief from chaotic world outside. Achieving these concepts in design is a work of art. Our team has revived such points considering aesthetics which will be soothing even for upcoming years without compromising on functional requirements. We hope this will give you a little clarity and better vision towards design. Thank you for joining us.